Hi, my name is Juliet, and today we will be making a DIY hair growth oil. The first thing you need is a glass jar with a firm lid, and this one is about 1 liter because I'm making a large batch. But then if you have something smaller, then just calculate according to that. So next you're going to need measuring cups. These are the ones I'll be using in ml. And then this is my Ayurveda mix. It consists of 9 different Ayurveda herbs, including Brahmi, Brinraj, Henna, Amla, Hibiscus, Ashwagandha, aloe vera powder, neem powder, and Shikaikai. And all these Ayurvedic herbs are perfect for hair growth. They help to treat dandruff, they help with dry scalp, they help to stop hair loss, they condition against dryness, breakage, and frizz, and they strengthen the hair and stop it from being damaged by the sun. And this combination, as I said earlier, is perfect for stimulating and accelerating hair growth on our 4C natural hair. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is pour about half a cup of these Ayurvedic herbs, into the glass jar. Then we're going to be adding our Fenugreek Seeds. This is the brand I'll be using by TRS. And fenugreek is also called methi, and it is also amazing for hair growth. It promotes hair growth. It's a rich source of both vitamin K and A and even more. And it's got folic acid, proteins, and they're all essentials for hair growth. It also contributes to a healthy scalp environment, because if you don't have a healthy scalp, there's no way you can grow your hair. Alright, so I also added peppermint, but then I didn't realize that my camera wasn't recording it, so that's what's on top of the fenugreek that you see now. And peppermint is also great for improving hair growth and preventing hair loss. Next is obviously Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I don't make any DIY hair growth oil without it, and it just decreases the chances of breakage. So I'm also going to be using about 60 ml worth of this. I didn't have the exact measurement of 60 ml, so I just used the 50 ml measuring cup, and I poured it in 4 times. Alright, now so this is what it looks like, and next I'll be adding my unrefined pure coconut oil, and as you can see, it's as clear as day. It's so beautiful. So I'm adding that in. I'm adding a cup of pure coconut oil. Make sure your coconut oil is unrefined. It's the best. Alright, so in case you don't know, coconut oil is great for preventing dandruff, split ends, and breakage as well. So next I'll also be adding 2 cups of extra virgin olive oil. So that's what's pouring in now. And olive oil is also great for preserving moisture. It adds so much softness to my hair. I don't care what anyone says, but it adds lots of softness to my hair. My hair in particular. For me, it penetrates my hair shaft. Olive oil is my best oil, like my hair's best oil, so I don't play with it, and that's why it's the major carrier oil in this hair growth oil. But then if you have a carrier oil that your hair prefers, then please use that. So all the measurements of everything will be in the description box below, so in case you missed anything, you can watch the video again, but then you can also check the description box, and also more on my website Igbocurls.com. Now we're going to be adding vitamin E capsules. So for me, this is like the purest form of vitamin E that I could find. Most of the ones that is selling those bottles, when you check the ingredient list, is not really vitamin E that's in there. So I got the capsules, and I'm using 2 for this 1 liter batch. Well, it's not really a liter because I didn't really fill up the whole jar. It's about 700 ml at the end of the day. But yeah, as I said, all the calculations will be on my blog. So yeah, so benefits of vitamin E oil is that it supports hair growth, it prevents breakage and split ends. The next thing you need to do is to get your lid and secure it tightly and give it a good shake to make sure that all the Ayurvedic herbs and all your ingredients are mixed properly. Remember to also shake your mix because it does settle at the bottom, over the next few weeks, because I'll be infusing mine for about 2 weeks. So every day or every other day, I prefer to do mine every day so I don't forget. So I just make sure I shake it to make sure that everything is still mixed and everything is still being infused properly. Alright, so this is what the color looks outside, just to give you an idea of what the natural color looks like. But then at the end of the day, when it's sieved out in the next 2 weeks, then it becomes slightly clear. But it doesn't really matter because it doesn't leave any stain. So I'll be using it to massage my scalp daily. I'll also be using it to seal my hair and also as a pre-poo treatment, just to make sure that I get that hair growth coming in nicely. Okay, another thing I like to do with my DIY hair growth oils is to label them, because sometimes I use different ingredients. So this is just one of like a number of them that I do. So I choose to label them so that I can make sure that I stay organized and I understand, and I also remember what formula that I used to make them. So yeah, so this one is going to be labeled the hair growth formula, so the hair growth oil rather. And yeah, that's just how I make sure that I remember what's in the jar. So once I'm done, I give it a good shake again before placing it in a dark cupboard, and I'll leave it in for 2 weeks before I strain and then begin to use. So if all of you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you smash the like button, make sure you share and leave a comment to tell me what your best ingredients are to use on your hair. So obviously don't forget to live well, live great, and pray always. God loves you and God bless you. Take care, lovelies. Bye.